Okay, so hello, welcome to a day out, and today's day out we're in Wiltshire. I have been here before many times, and if you remember I did come here at Christmas, which was not long ago. It was 6 months ago, and we're back in the summertime, sunshine. And we're going to have a little zoom around and show you some of the good stuff that you can do. It's also very good for accessibility. So if you're in a wheelchair or you're on a scooter, then it's ideal. Now we're going to start off by going to the front of the house. Basically because we can. It's got quite a nice thing. So, lovely day today. It's midweek, and I just tried to pop out today just to do some filming. I've been meaning to come back here. I mean, I have a annual pass, which means I can come back whenever I like, but I haven't had the time, and because the weather's not been that good, so that's the problem. I'm going to head here, just here, because we did the last video from here with the house in the background and the fountains and, you know, everything very, very pretty, and in the sunshine. It's a lovely day, a fantastic day now. So we're going to see what we can do, going to see what we can go and access. I can't promise that we'll go and do everything, but that's the idea of having an annual pass. We'll tell you more about the annual pass later. I'm not doing this to promote Longleat, but obviously the idea is that we'll tell you all about it, and hopefully one day, nudge, wink, wink.
Know what I mean? Know what I mean? Nudge, know what I mean? Say no more, know what I mean?
We might get an invite back and do a proper interview. You never know. You never know. So Longleat House behind me, the home of Lord Bath. The current Lord Bath is obviously the son. The oldest, the father obviously, is retired from running the estate, left it over to the son, who is married to what we say would be a foreign lady. So we can start with that, and the view around us, and there's a lovely house view, and behind me is a rather large lion, and the estate, the Longleat estate, in the 60s, the Lord Bath decided that he needed to get some sort of attraction in order to help to fund the upkeep of the place. Now you can go inside, I do believe. I don't think you're allowed to film. I believe that there's a ban on, I'm just looking because there's a big sign there. So you'll see that the sign there is pushchairs parked at the rear of the house, and there's also a place where you can park the scooters and also go in with wheelchairs around the back. So obviously you haven't got to go up the stairs, you haven't got to levitate. But there is a big sign there. I think you can just about see it. It's to say that there's no cameras by the look of it, and no food and drink. So we are at the front of the house. The very big house, a very big house in the country.
Lives in a house, very big house in the country.
Cue for a song. Now it's a little bit difficult to get up this So we're going to go up the side there. Now there is a garden, which is the main feature of the estate. Is not only the safari park, but the gardens, and the gardens play a big part of this. This is where we came in December, which is where they have the light show. I seem to have, for some reason, they seem to have different coloured pandas. This is a pop-up panda, rich and have surplus. That's the blue one. So, and they're all different. Obviously the Tang dynasty, English gentleman panda. There are a lot of them. That's Autumn Confession, Elegant, I can't even read that, Peony. What's a peony? I don't know what a peony is, but Elegant Peony. Over there you can see is the boats. You can take a boat trip. True Love, that's a True Love one. Yeah, we could be here all day actually. There's quite a few. Spring Confession, British fashion. Well, if that's British fashion, I hate to see yeah, anything else, because that looks awful. He's got a cardigan on. Rich and Fulfilling Life. The Princess of England. Oh, this is obviously China, so this is Chengdu style. Chengdu style. They seem to go on forever, these pandas. Classic Beauty. And this one is Wonderful World. Yeah, fantastic. There's some more pandas. So we'll have a little zoom down and look at the pandas. Winter Confession. Not sure what that one is. That one's got no label. Now we're going to have to go, we're going to pop down here, an alleyway down there, which obviously we're going to have to go down because it's a, well, they've left the ramp in, which is quite handy. So the ramp is still there. But the ramp that we normally use is down the bottom area, which is near the bridge. And you can't go down any further from here because there's steps. And if you want to go over there, you have to go the long way round. Otherwise, if you can walk, you can go through the archway there. Now, oh, they've blocked this off, so this is the way you used to come. Obviously, they're doing some work on one of those buildings, so that's now closed. But there is a ramp there. But we have to go down here. So that's probably why they left the ramp in. Ooh, bit of artwork. Don't know what it is. It looks a bit arty. And down. Very nice. And you've got the back end of the house. You can see, back end of the house. Oops. This camera's annoying. So they are doing some repairs to the work. So the orangery is closed. Wheelchair access for Jungle Cruise is via Jungle Kingdom. So let's leave that for now, and we'll go and have a look at the boat, see if we can get on the boat. There's a obviously the meerkats.
Right, if you get out the other side, it's fine.
Hello, meerkats.
So you can still, oh, you can walk through with them. Oh, I made it. Oh, there's a porcupine head. Where?
So it's about I'd say it's about 15 minutes and goes in a loop. As you can see, there's wheelchair users and people with limited mobility. Let's see if I can get on the boat. So, we should be able to go on in the scooter.
Don't need spec mode.
Good timing, it's just docking.
And your shorts might blend in. You know what, we'll give it a go, might be some fun here.
I do on the photo.
Yeah, no problem, that's lovely. Enjoy the boat ride.
Thank you. Yeah, it's a bit of a queue.
There is.
Have you been here before?
Yeah, a few times.
Can I squeeze past you there? Because it's just a way to get
Yeah, no, we've got nowhere to go.
Oh, it's okay, I'll wait. It's alright, I'll wait. I'll wait, it's fine.
Mum, did I give you the tickets back?
No, it's one behind you. Thank you very much. Can you see if we get on the boat, Wright?
I think my audio is going to run out of battery very, very soon. So if it does, then you'll know why there's no audio.
What's his name? She goes, yeah. She's just very shy. She won't go on telly or anything like that.
I'm okay on this?
Yeah, you go straight on.
Yeah, all right.
Yeah, there's spaces at the front, or there is one in the middle as
All
well.
right, okay. I'll go down there, yeah.
Very, very back.
So that was fairly easy, fairly straightforward. I don't know how long the audio will last, so because it's the battery's on the last legs.
Okay, good afternoon everybody, welcome on board. I just need to go through one or two pieces of health and safety very, very quickly. Now we do have enough safety equipment to go around for 118 people. There's only 100 of you on board, there is plenty to go around. Also, some of you might realise we do have sea lions for with us. They are good fun, but they do have very sharp teeth and can jump as high as the rail. So please don't dangle your arms or your hands outside of the boat at any point during the trip. Also, we do have an emergency whilst you're out on the lake. Please don't panic, just listen to all the information that's given to you by myself, Tim, or your driver, Andy. Right, we are now free for the keys, so if you guys want to go grab the boats, please feel free to do so. Right, that's all that health and safety done. Let's go look at some animals. Right, we have 6 Californian sea lions in Half Mile Lake. We have one boy, he's called Buster. He's the easiest to spot. He is absolutely huge. He's 23 years old, 8 feet long, and weighs in at 42 stone. Now we also have his 2 guys, Suki and Jojo, and his 3 daughters, Molly, Belle, and Paul. Now, what will probably be the easiest awards them to spot. She's the smallest, she's only 2 years old, and is only around 3 feet long. Now, some of you have already realised we are coming up to both Africa and Longleat's most dangerous animal, our two gathered hippos, Spot and Sonia. These two rock-shaped objects right in front of the boat, this is exactly what makes them so dangerous. They kill around 700 to 1,000 people every year out in Africa. To go to get this close to a hippo in the wild, this will be the last thing you will ever do. Despite their large size, they can reach speeds of 30 miles per hour and 15 in the water. He was much loved by his keepers, absolutely spoiled rotten. Inside his house, which you might just be able to see over the bamboo bushes there, he had a massive plasma screen TV and also Skybox HD as well. His favourite programs to watch were SpongeBob SquarePants and Dora the Explorer. Now there are plans for the island, but unfortunately I want to secrecy. I am not allowed to tell you what is going on. But what I can tell you is there will be no more crawlers up on the island. I promise you, they are very picky animals. They don't like it too wet, too dry, too cold, too hot, or too windy. Because it's quite hot today, they'll probably most likely be sat in the shade just underneath their house. Right, we're going to go to the first village to that very hectic lifestyle of theirs and start making our way towards the sea lion feeding area. Now this is your opportunity to feed them this afternoon, but we do have one or two rules. Please don't dangle the fish outside of the boat, because if you're not careful, the sea lions will jump on and will end up taking the fish and your fingers as well. So please check as far as you can, the sea lions will catch it. Also, we only have a certain amount of fish on board, so it is first come, first served. It is £1 a pot. And also, we only have a certain amount of time to put them only until the end of the island, so you do need to be as quick as you can. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you very much. then. Guys, you need to sit down, we're not completely tied in yet. Sorry, is this your
Yeah, does that open inwards?
Yeah, it does open inwards.
Typical, isn't it?
Sorry, I don't know, it does need to be the other way. Sorry, there you go. There you go. There you go, guys.
I'm not going to be able to go down backwards. Unfortunately, I'm not that clever.
Mind your legs.
There you go.
There you go, thank you.
That's
Cheers.
all right. Have a good day.
You're a little GoPro on the front. That's
Mhm.
right, that, you might use that time for the butterflies as well. Yeah. I'm going back to the butterflies. I'm going to go up.
Thank you.
Okay.
Cheers.
Groups of 3 and under on the left side, groups of 4 and above on the right hand side there.
I might.
Right, I'm going to call it a day before the actual battery on the audio runs out altogether. So that was a boat trip. I really enjoyed that. It was really different. I haven't done it for a little while, and so now we have to make our way back out the same way we came, the same way that we came in. So that's it for today's day out. We'll come back again and do the train and various other things, but for now I hope you enjoyed it. It's been like an adventure, and very accommodating and very helpful. So, and I could go on there with my scooter, which was even better, but I was prepared to walk. Right, that's it then. Give us a thumbs up, like and a share, and I'll catch you again very soon for another visit to Longleat very soon. Bye for now.